Raymarcher features a collection of fractal objects. To create a fractal object in the Unity editor, navigate to Game Object, Raymarcher Fractals. It's important to note that creating a Raymarcher objects at runtime is not possible. Each object must be created at compile time. Let's create an Apollonian fractal and apply a lit material instance to it. Fractals are very expensive in terms of computing, so it's recommended not to use other SDL objects while working with fractals. Also, a standard or performant render type is highly recommended. Fractals require high computing precision, meaning that the normal shift on the material needs to be very low to correctly calculate lighting. I'm going to disable the main light and add some point lights and enable the real-time shadows. You can see the light interacts with the fractal, and yep, very interesting effects can be achieved. With the Raymarcher Fractals, you can create very unique scenes that have never been experienced before. There are also other well-known fractal formulas in Raymarcher, such as Kleinian, tetrahedron or Mandelbulb, each with their custom parameters. Raymarcher contains extra content that allows you to sample audio so the fractal will react to that. That was everything about the Raymarcher Fractals. Thanks for watching and good luck!